This is a quick tutorial about how to use Teams on a mobile phone to upload assignments. You're going to go to Teams, you're going to find your class, and go to General. I'm going to use a test team for this one that I have a couple fake assignments on. And then we're going to go up to the top where it says More, then Assignments. And then you'll see the assignment. It's past due because it's an old due date, but you can click on that. And first thing you do is you look at all the reference materials that the teacher left for you. So this is just an example of a video that was attached to the assignment. Going back, I'm going to remove that here so we can show you what adding work looks like. You hit add work, then you hit upload from this device. You can choose either a photo from your camera roll with a camera. In this case, I'm using my camera to take a picture. And I'm meaning to kind of orient this side to side, but it didn't work out that way, so I'm going to try it again. It'll let you retake the picture. Okay, and that one's better, so I'll use that photo. And then I will add work again just to show you what it looks like from the camera roll instead from the photo library. So just selecting a similar picture and then hitting done. And now that one is uploading and becoming attached. And then at the very top where it says turn in, it says turn in late in this case because the due date is passed, but you click on that and an animated GIF will show up and show you that you have in fact turned it in successfully, okay? But you don't want to hit that until you have uploaded your work, added work to the My Work section. Okay, so you can also unturn it in if you made a mistake, you uploaded the wrong document, or I ask you to redo it. And so, maybe in this case I asked you to upload a different picture instead. So instead of that picture, okay, we're going to take a picture of the actual assignment. Clicking, using the photo, and then that one is being uploaded, and then you could hit turn in again. When you hit turn in the second time, it doesn't always show you that animation. Okay, so now if you look in the completed section, you have to go to the completed section if you turn something in to find it.